What's up, everybody?
Hey!
You know what day it is.
It's cruise day.
And we are at the port of Tampa in Tampa Bay, Florida, getting ready to do something I said I wasn't going to do for a while. We're going to get on a little bitty ship. One of Carnival's smallest ships. In fact, the fourth oldest in the fleet from 1998.
Yes.
The Carnival Paradise.
Yes.
But it looks beautiful right now. It's got the new livery on it.
Adorable
the paint looks
ship.
good. And we're going to see just what it does. The port is beautiful.
Yes.
We're going to tell you about the parking situation, what you got to do when you get here. But we're getting ready to go on board and see what this cruise life is all about.
Y'all pray for me. Y'all hope he survives this 5-day trip on a tiny ship.
Y'all ready to take this journey? Let's go.
So at the port of Tampa, when you get to the cruise terminal, you have two options for parking. There's the valet parking lot, which is here, and it's about $20 more, or you have the self-park, which is across the street at the parking garage. I think we paid $75? $75 for the self-parking.
And valet was 95.
And valet was 95. So we are about to head to the terminal, which is not that far of a walk across the parking lot, essentially, to get inside the terminal. Okay, so this time check-in for Carnival was a breeze, and that is because we got to use the Verify app this time. The Verify app makes sure that our COVID information and our testing information was all in one location, so we didn't have to bring it anything for them to check and double check and recheck all at the same time. So in and out the whole process maybe took 5 minutes.
So we're getting ready to get on board.
Yes.
But you know it's getting ready to go down because
We found
our
some
friends are here.
We found.
What's up? What's up?
We
The
found.
family is here, man.
Surprise! We're back on Addy and Terry's channel.
Booyah!
We found some strays.
And we're about to get on.
My boys.
See?
What was the ship that I lost my boys completely? We lost it on Virgin and Wonder.
Yeah.
Oh, Virgin. Oh, my God.
I don't know. Maybe I misjudged. But we're going to have to see what's going on as we get ready to hit the paradise.
Right?
And sail out to sea. It really looks nice. Like, if Carnival can repaint all their older ships and make
They
some
had
minor
to do
adjustments,
something.
things might just be okay.
Nah.
But we'll see. And just like that,
Thank
we have
you.
made it back on board the Carnival cruise ship. This time, it is the Carnival Paradise.
Or as Terry called it, paradisical.
The Paradisical. Let's see what it's working with. Let's
Oh,
check
this
out
is pretty.
this atrium, y'all.
It's so quaint, tiny.
Hello, welcome to the Carnival Paradise, where we are in cabin M255, our interior cabin on this ship, the sailing that we are going on to Cozumel and to Grand Cayman. We are so excited. And because it's an older ship, we wanted to give you guys a sneak peek because you guys were worried and we were worried about this being an older ship. We wanted to let you know that our cabin is safe and sound. Okay, so we're gonna give you a quick tour to let you know. So, we're in the room and we have the big giant bed. It's rather squishy. My side of the bed has no USBs, but it is close to the desk area, the same vanity area. So it does have close access to USB ports if you're like me and like your access to close for your devices close to the bed. But this side of the bed, as Terry walks over there, does have access to USB, but no nightstand. This cabin comes with the bunk bed, but it's just the two of us, so this won't be being used. So we're gonna probably just make use of the storage area underneath for our suitcases like Terry has done there. Behind Terry, as he comes around, is a pretty standard but pretty large TV for a cabin. We usually see smaller TVs and we don't see them usually mounted to the wall in the corner like that above the bed. So that's a plus. Back to the desk. We have a mini fridge
And when I say mini, I mean mini. And right now it is not cold, so we will probably have to ask for some ice. And we have the standard drawer with the hair dryer. Won't be needing that. Telephone is mounted to the wall. Your standard American and international outlets at the desk / vanity. And they did provide us a mask, but they are not required to be worn on board, just if you want to. The closet is pretty big. We have this full-size one, extra blankets down at the bottom. That's the ladder for the bunk bed that probably won't be used. But a full-size closet, plenty of hangers. I'll probably end up using all of those. And then we have the other side of the closet, which has the shelf area. Terry will get one side, or one, and I will get the bottom. And then we have the shelf storage here and 2 drawers at the bottom, along with the safe. So plenty of storage in this cabin. So coming into the bathroom, it is a very decent sized bathroom. It's not too tiny. The only thing I don't like is that there is a cloth shower curtain. But even if there was an actual glass shower, you would still have plenty of room. Still only one room for one person, but plenty of room. The shower is not directly next to the toilet, so you have some space, but there is not a lot of space as far as toiletries for you to put your toiletries and things in here. The shower itself is pretty decent. I can move around. I do feel like the shower curtain will get stuck to me eventually though. But it does come with your standard shower gel and shampoo. So that's your bathroom. I think we will be just fine in this Carnival Paradise M255 interior cabin. We'll see you around the ship.